with me and get some birthday freebies because my birthday is this month.
Staring out the window.
Yeah!
Reaching for a North Star.
Everybody cheers!
Waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms. Dancing to the...
So the first place I'm getting it at is at Dutch Bros. We were on the way home and there's a Dutch Bros, so then we went to stop by. This is gonna be my first birthday first birthday drink that I'm gonna get. And then I ordered a green tea passion fruit green tea passion fruit strawberry with coconut milk, and then you're supposed to add strawberry on top, but there was no topping to just add strawberry, so then I just got that. And then I got a medium size at first, but then after I made it into the 32 ounce and it was also free, so I got the 32 ounce. If your birthday is coming up, make sure you have a Dutch Bros account so that you can get a free drink. Everybody cheers! What'd you get?
Annihilator with nothing. I forgot to add stuff. Vanilla protein latte.
How is it? Buzz? Can I try it?
You got cavities?
No cavities. Oh. Yes please. Thank you. Yay!
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, trying my drink now. It's super big.
Wait, that's a medium one? Let's just all get a caniac combo and we'll be happy.
Not bad, but it's a bit bland. You can't really taste anything. Who wants to try it? I don't know why it tastes so watered down.
Bitch, what is this? She's like a strawberry essay.
I think so too.
She like white.
Oh, it's because there's coconut milk.
I fear you may shit.
look at it. You got the white soft foam.
Oh my god, she gave me a pink straw. Oh my god.
Angie's is pretty good. Mine doesn't really taste like anything.
Yeah, it tastes like water.
Yeah. I think it's because I was too greedy and got the big size. Shouldn't have gotten the big size.
Anybody want more mine?
Oh, I was like, where's mine?
I'm trying Amanda's.
Dorothy's sad about hers.
Don't be sad.
It's good. Wait, Dorothy, can I try it?
Yeah, it was free. I forgot about that.
Dorothy's the only one that got the hot drink.
Nobody's hungry for caniac combo? Why you, Amanda?
I don't think I can eat 3 fingers with you.
First birthday freebie,
Brittany, how about you?
I know it's kind of a fail. I can eat it.
Well,
maybe
you
one
should get the
tonight.
4-piece.
Yeah, I think. Should I try to get a birthday freebie gift?
What is it, one tender?
No, it's a combo.
Which one?
Box combo.
What?
Yeah.
Which one's a box combo? That's
Do you
4-piece.
have your
Yeah,
ID?
4-piece. Yeah, I have my ID. Should we try it?
Oh wait, but it's not your birthday today.
But do you think they'll be kind?
Maybe. Try.
Okay, we'll try to get a box combo at
Okay.
King's. Let's go. Got 6 piece
For free?
Yeah. We got the caniac combo, but it wasn't free. They don't have any birthday deals.
So what they do?
So then I asked them, oh, do you have any like box combo birthday deal? And she said no. And I was like,
Okay, can I just get the 6-piece?
I saw on TikTok, so don't trust TikTok, guys.
Yeah,
don't
like,
do that
when
to
they
yourself.
said boiling crab had matcha latte. I went to boiling crab and I didn't see it on the menu.
Yeah, so we just got the regular 6-piece. Delicious! And we're gonna share this and eat this up. Oh, I forgot to switch to coleslaw.
I'll go for it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then we got... Here, Amanda, you can eat the bread then.
No, it's okay. Oh, these wings are fat.
So I went to Ulta and I got the freebies that they had. And every year I'm usually not that interested in the Ulta birthday freebies because nothing really stands out to me. But this year they had a tinted sunscreen by Tinted Life or Life Tinted, I forgot. Life Tinted, I think. I'm really excited to try this out and see if I like it or not. I'm just hoping that it doesn't feel too oily on my skin because my skin does get really oily throughout the day. The lady that helped me in Ulta said that they had all of the birthday stuff except for the tinted sunscreen, and I was like, what? But then she looked back at the stock and then she actually had the tinted sunscreen. So for the Ulta freebie, all I needed to do was have an account with Ulta, and then they'll send you an email, and then all they checked is the email because it has a barcode at the bottom that they need to scan, and then you'll be able to pick whatever freebie you want. This is gonna be the first time I try it out. And yes, I'm on the toilet restroom right now because this is the only place with good lighting. Oh, it's so tiny and cute. Oh my god. No smell at all. Like, it doesn't smell like an orange tint to it. So let's see how it blends in. Ooh, it's really smooth. I can't tell. I don't think it has a smell because I wash my hand soap that I use. It's very fragrant, so I can't tell. Ooh, okay. I put too much at once. I can't believe this is a mineral sunscreen because it's really watery, and I think it's blending really well into my skin. Like, there's no color to it at all. My eyes aren't burning from it as well. So after I put it on, it feels a bit oily on my hands right now, but for my skin it feels super hydrated and it like soaked into my skin. I like it. This is the first time I tried it on, but I like it. It doesn't feel like I have sunscreen on right now. It feels like I have like a type of primer on. Oh, it's moisturizer, sunscreen, and primer. So no wonder it feels really hydrated after putting it on my skin. You want like a 3-in-1 product, this is the one for you. There's no cast on it, and it's a mineral sunscreen. The next thing I got is my Nothing Bundt cake. It looks like just a regular lunch bag, but for Nothing Bundt cake, I usually get it every single year. Ever since I had one that was open close by, I feel like it's just such a good size to get because it's like a little cup size for yourself. I also needed to have an account with this, so I signed up with my email. They'll send you a birthday voucher, and then with that email, you need to pick a Nothing Bundt cake location. One year I picked one that was close to my college, but then I ended up being home for my birthday, so I think I was able to change that. Usually they just look at the email and then check your ID. I had a total of 7 days after my birthday to be able to get it, so I got the chocolate chip. Wow, it'd be rich. On the first bite. It's so best. You could literally get any flavor except for the seasonal ones, I think. And it tastes even better because it's free. This is pretty sweet though, but it's so good. Better than I remember it. And I love the chocolate chips in it. Birthday gift I got. It's tiny. I thought this would be. I thought this was freshly baked. We'll see how it tastes. I got cava for dinner with John. Got my pita bread. In my bowl, I got the greens and grains bowl, half chopped romaine, half saffron rice.
Pause to read.
Open it up. This one you can't shake. Thanks, Sean. Yeah, it's all stuck. Pita bread. The tiny chocolate fudge brownie. I think this is like healthy. Let's taste. I haven't had cava in a minute. I'm gonna take a break from my bowl and try my free birthday freebie. Feeling really thirsty. Should have gotten the free lemonade instead, but it's okay. I just have to create an account and then they'll give you either pita chips, dessert treat, or a free drink. Oh, it's really fudgy. Tastes like a brownie. Not bad. John's turn. It's good.
She got a free drink.
I know. John's voice. Yeah, John's voice shows us that we should have gotten the free drink. But this ain't bad actually. It's pretty good. But still thirsty. I'm gonna finish my bowl, or try to, and I'm gonna save the other half for lunch. Save the other half for lunch. So that was actually the last of my birthday freebies because I didn't plan it out accordingly. Places now require you to have an account with them more than 1 month in advance from your birthday. But anyways, here's me unboxing my new snowboard. Decided to treat myself out for my birthday and get a new snowboard because I've been riding a rocker board for about 2 years. Switched it up to a camber, and this is from Arbor. I was between 2 designs, but I ended up getting this one, which I really like, even though some people were like, it looks like floor tiling, but I like it. Angie was helping me put on the binding. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.